Hey chickies, thanks so much for hanging out for a bit today. We are going to be chatting, unboxing together a very cute pink Kate Spade item. Affordable, very pretty, and of course it's pink. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciated if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be part of the Chickie crew. Also, please make sure you give this video a like. It truly would help out this video so much. As well as don't forget to hit that bell and make sure you hit all to be notified when I upload a new video. This did arrive I think it arrived the other week, but I just haven't unboxed it yet. I will make sure to link it down below, but if you're a lover of pink, I think you will definitely want to stick around. So let's just go ahead and unbox this together. I hope you guys can see this. So that's everything inside the box. So here's how it is packaged, which of course Kate Spade always has such good packaging in my opinion. Comment below, do you guys like small card wallets or do you like the bigger wallets? This one I believe is one of their medium-sized wallets because I'm not a fan of the really large ones, but I wanted something where it was bigger than a card size wallet. All right, and here she is. She is so pretty. Okay, let's first take out all of the foam inserts just so that you guys can get a good view of this. So she is called the Natalia Slim Card Wallet. So it is a lot thinner than most wallets, which I really do appreciate because this is definitely like my type of wallet. Even though it does look a little bit bulky, I love these slimmer wallets. I've been looking for a slim card wallet for a while now, and when I saw this I knew it would be the perfect addition to add to my Kate Spade collection. So the color is in Rose Smoke, which I'm pretty sure you guys know I'm a huge fan of the Rose Smoke color. And on the front it has the quilted leather. And of course it has the Kate Spade rose gold logo on the very front. And this is very similar, I would say, to the other Kate Spade tote that I unboxed with you a couple weeks ago. So it does have the logo right here in the front, which I really do appreciate because it's kind of attached to the wallet. It's not just embossed. Now right here you have a zipper. And I guess I forgot to take out the stuffing in this. But in here you can put your cash, and that's what I was really looking for because if you guys know me, I never carry cash at all, which is a very bad habit. Then you can also put other things in the front pocket. Then if you turn it around, you do have another pocket in the back, as well as all of your card holders. 6 slots for card holders, and then this one you can always put like your driver's license or something back here. But I was looking for one that was slim, number one, and number two, I of course wanted it to be able to fit the cash because normally for my other wallet I just kind of have to like tuck it in somewhere in between the folds. So let me give you the dimensions of the wallet. Smooth quilted leather. It's 3.3 inches in height, 6.5 inches in width. It has the Kate Spade New York pin mount logo, so that's what it is. Two-way spade jacquard lining, which is of course the spades on the inside of the wallet, and it is really pretty because it's a light pink to match. Zip closure, 7 credit card slots, 2 zip slip pockets, 1 on the front and 1 on the back. This color in general is one of my favorites from Kate Spade just because it's such a pretty pink. Just a little size comparison between the smaller card wallets from Kate Spade. It is a lot longer in length, but it is very slim, which I really do appreciate. And hopefully when I put everything else in here, it doesn't get super bulky. But let me actually do that. Let me switch everything around in here. So this is basically me just kind of throwing everything into the wallet, and I do have lots of like little papers and pictures and stuff that I keep in my wallet, so that's why it is a little bit bulky. But even still, it does fit everything nice and snug. The cards aren't falling out, which I really do appreciate, because some wallets, the card slots are too loose where it might end up falling out, but this one is in there very nice and snug. And the zipper is very easy to open. It's not one where it's you know, where it gets caught, so that's the really great thing about this. This is another Kate Spade bag. This is the one I'm currently using right now. So if I were just to kind of slip it into the bag, it's not even that large, which I really do appreciate, you know. It's just overall a very, very, very pretty wallet. So if you've been looking for a pink wallet to add to your collection, or if you've just been looking for a new wallet, highly recommend this one. This is something I will definitely be bringing out with me when we go out somewhere special, or you know, if I just want to change up using this other Kate Spade wallet that I've had for years. And this one definitely gets beat up a lot, so this will be a good alternative for other occasions when I want something a little bit dressier. Let me know your thoughts. What did you guys think of the Kate Spade Natalia slim card wallet? Again, I will make sure to link it down below. They do have other colors in case pink isn't your jam. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out for a bit today and enjoyed just kind of unboxing the wallet with me. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.